Hi, hopefully you are well. So, uh, yesterday I have provided you how to train the dataset. Now, I will guide you how to test the dataset by using your training weight. So, last day you have got some training result, such as you have got this result. After using this result, you usually can test the data set and by using your test images. So this is your test images. Suppose after splitting, then and you got some test images in the test folder, and you can easily use these test images in your testing purpose. So for this region, just copy this. I have already gave a command for testing. Currently copy this all thing and currently edit something in here. Copy this in your command prompt or anything, any place. Here I have given the Python detected py. Before copying this, you need to enter the location of ULV5. I have given the necessary guideline. How can you enter this folder, and I will provide this code so that you can easily integrate it. And okay, in this ULV5 format, you will find a 10.py file, and actually we have used the 10.py file for training purpose, and now we will use the detect.py file for detection purpose. We will detect the test images. I have written the code for detection. This is the best code if I researches, and here you need to give the weight of the training weight, and last you have got the weight of your training. I think this is the weight of your training. You can easily use this weight and change this line. Means change this line. Where's dot? Change this line and paste here. This is the then base.pt. Actually, you need to give the location of the base.pt, and if you put the location of your weight in Google Drive or AWS S3 bucket, then you need to give the location here. I think you have understood. Then give the image size. Okay, then give the data folder. This is data.yml, and when we create the data set, this data.yml, I have already guided you how to set this data.yml in your computer. So here you have put the data.yml. Then you need to give the confidence level and give the source images location. Suppose you want to detect these images, currently copy the location and paste the source images location, and means here. Okay, and then you need to put here the project in which place do you want to save the result. Suppose I have already saved my result into the result folder, or I have already saved my result folder in here, so I give the result folder name. So after that, you need to provide a name of the folder. Suppose I have when I give the name of the folder, then automatically here give in the name. This is the actually name. This name will automatically create in your S3 SageMaker, AWS SageMaker, or Google Colab, or in your PC. Okay, then you can and save your cropping images, or in which images you have already recognized as, and save confidence level, and you can add here agnostic NMS, because in one logos have multiple detection, so you want to put single location such as which confidence is greater, so you need to enter here agnostic NMS, and then you need to augment. This is the testing phase augment. After that you will get the detection on in your images. So suppose when I run the command, then automatically I get the location, and this is the location in which images detected. Suppose here my traffic sign, this is my traffic, sorry, this is the road mark, here automatically detect and recognize which class is detected. I think you got it. If you have any problem or any, then you will find the levels in where areas already have detected, and you will got the cropping logo. This automatically classify. I think you have already successfully completed the whole process, and I actually give you the instruction on by using your local PC, but I'm trying to complete whole thing in AWS SageMaker, because yet I do not work with AWS SageMaker. For only your purpose, I just trying to complete the whole process into the AWS SageMaker. And if I complete the whole process in AWS SageMaker, then I think I can also guide you how can you use AWS SageMaker. I think all process will be helpful for us. I will provide all code into the code folder and all instructions into the instruction folder. Thank you so much.